It's been nearly 2 years since DJI introduced the Mini 4 Pro, and now all indicators point toward the next major leap in the Mini drone lineup. For enthusiasts and professionals who've been waiting for a drone that combines pro-level capabilities with a compact, travel-friendly design, your patience might soon pay off. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has started appearing in various leaks, and from what we're seeing, this new model promises to be a significant upgrade over the already successful Mini series. With a confirmed launch window, leaked images, and bold rumored specifications, there's plenty to unpack. Let's explore everything we know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro so far. Although DJI hasn't officially announced anything yet, two credible sources have pinpointed the release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro for September 2025. This rumor originated from Jasper Ellens of Drone XL, who has a solid track record of accurate DJI leaks. His prediction was later supported by Hokusushi, a respected leaker on X, formerly Twitter, who stated, "I have received reliable info that is indeed scheduled for September." With these two well-informed voices in agreement, a September release is increasingly likely. This timing would fit perfectly within DJI's usual product refresh cycle, marking roughly 2 years since the Mini 4 Pro's debut. Recent leaked images, allegedly showing the DJI Mini 5 Pro undergoing field testing, reveal a sleeker and slightly larger body compared to its predecessor. One of the most immediately noticeable differences is the presence of propeller guards. While these could simply be part of the testing setup, there's speculation that DJI may decide to include them as standard equipment, similar to what they did with the DJI Avata drone, to enhance user safety during flight. The motors on the leaked unit also appear bulkier than those on the Mini 4 Pro, suggesting that the new model could offer more power and improved resistance to wind, which would enhance flight stability and performance in challenging conditions. However, these physical changes raise an important question. Will the DJI Mini 5 Pro still weigh under the critical 249-gram threshold? This weight limit is crucial for many drone pilots because staying under 249 grams exempts the drone from certain registration requirements in several countries, including the United States, making recreational flying simpler and more accessible. DJI has traditionally managed to hit this sweet spot, but with the addition of larger motors, new sensors like LiDAR, and possibly a bigger battery to support longer flight times, the company is walking a fine line. If DJI slightly exceeds this weight, it risks losing the appeal to the lightweight drone community that values portability and ease of use. Conversely, if they manage to deliver all these upgrades while keeping the weight under 250 grams, it would be a remarkable design achievement and a major selling point. One of the most exciting rumored features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a major camera upgrade. Leaked information points to the inclusion of a 1-inch sensor, which would be a considerable improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's 1x1 3-inch sensor. This upgrade would translate into better low-light performance, sharper images, and enhanced dynamic range, making it an ideal choice for creators, vloggers, and travelers who rely on small, versatile gear to capture stunning footage on the go. A larger sensor generally means more light can be captured, resulting in higher quality photos and videos with richer colors and less noise. Interestingly, some leaked images even show a camera module that looks larger than earlier prototypes, suggesting that DJI might still be refining this critical component to maximize its performance before the official launch. This potential jump in camera quality could position the DJI Mini 5 Pro as a drone that truly bridges the gap between compact convenience and professional imaging capabilities. Another noteworthy advancement rumored for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the integration of LiDAR sensors. Sharp-eyed fans examining the leaked body shots of the drone noticed what appear to be extra sensors, possibly indicating that DJI is incorporating LiDAR for improved obstacle detection and avoidance. If true, this would be the first time a mini-series drone includes this technology, which could dramatically enhance flight safety and tracking accuracy. LiDAR works by emitting laser pulses and measuring their reflections to create an accurate, real-time 3D map of the environment. For drone pilots, especially those flying in tight spaces or complex environments like forests, urban areas, or near buildings, LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance could make flying easier and safer by preventing collisions and helping the drone navigate around obstacles with greater precision. This feature would be especially valuable for new pilots or those using the drone in professional applications where reliability is critical. Flight time is another area where the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to make a significant leap forward. Early reports suggest an impressive 50-minute flight time, a substantial increase from the Mini 4 Pro's already respectable 34 minutes. This would give pilots much more freedom to capture extended footage, explore larger areas, or complete longer missions without the need for frequent battery swaps. Complementing the longer flight time is a rumored transmission range of up to 25 kilometers. This range would allow the drone to fly much farther from the pilot than previous Mini models, broadening its usefulness for applications such as landscape photography, surveying, or search and rescue operations. Together, these improvements make the DJI Mini 5 Pro not just a compact and smart drone, but also a robust tool capable of serious, professional-level work in the field. Putting it all together, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like it could be a transformative product in DJI's lineup. A compact drone featuring a 1-inch sensor, LiDAR obstacle avoidance, a 50-minute flight time, and potentially more powerful motors would position it as a leader in the mini drone category. If DJI manages to pack all these advancements into a lightweight design that remains under 250 grams, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine expectations for what a small drone is capable of. This combination of features would make the drone attractive not only to casual users, but also to professionals in filmmaking, content creation, and industrial fields who need high-quality imaging, long endurance, and dependable safety features in a portable package. Of course, ambitious innovations come with risks. The balancing act of adding more power, bigger sensors, longer flight times, and additional sensors like LiDAR, while keeping the drone lightweight, is not a trivial engineering feat. If DJI overshoots on weight, the Mini 5 Pro may lose its key advantage in markets where sub-250-gram drones enjoy regulatory benefits. The inclusion of propeller guards as standard could also add weight and bulk, which might not appeal to all users. Furthermore, the increased hardware sophistication may lead to a higher price point, potentially putting the Mini 5 Pro out of reach for some casual hobbyists who gravitated to earlier mini drones because of their affordability. The rumors have certainly sparked excitement among the drone community. Many are eager to see which features DJI prioritizes and how well the company manages to integrate these advancements without compromising the core values of portability and ease of use that define the Mini series. Key questions remain. Will the drone remain easy to carry and fly for beginners? How much will these enhancements impact battery life in real-world conditions? Will the sensor improvements live up to the hype in varying lighting environments? And importantly, will the price reflect the potential leap in capabilities while remaining accessible? If DJI can successfully deliver on these rumored features, the Mini 5 Pro could become the most impressive iteration yet in the Mini series. It has the potential to appeal across a broad spectrum of users, from travelers and vloggers seeking high-quality imagery in a pocket-sized drone, to professionals needing reliable, long-lasting performance and advanced safety features for demanding shoots. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be more than just an incremental upgrade. It looks poised to push the boundaries of what compact drones can offer. Whether it fully meets these ambitious expectations or falls slightly short, it's clear that DJI is once again aiming to innovate and lead the market. What do you think? Are you excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Which feature do you find most important? Camera quality, flight time, obstacle avoidance, or something else? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, stay tuned for official announcements and further updates as we get closer to launch.